Welcome students, I am Mukul Odhikari, Assistant Maths Teacher of Padan Model School. Student, today we'll start exercise number 4.2 of class 9. The chapter name is Linear Equation in Two Variable. Okay, previous day we have solved exercise 4.1. In this class, we will solve only these three problems 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so coming to the first question, which of the following option is true and why? What is the question? The question is y equal to 2x plus y equal to 3x plus 5 has unique solution, only two solution, infinitely many solution. Okay. So that first question is a MCQ. We have to tick the correct answer. Okay. First of all, y equal to 3x, y equal to 3x plus 5. First we have to verify or identify what type of equation it is. That y equal to 3x plus 5. First of all, highest power of x and power of y, that is 1. So it is a linear equation. Linear equation of how many variables? Y and x, 1 and 2. Linear equation in two variables. So that is a linear equation in two variables. We have discussed it earlier that a linear equation in two variables have infinitely many solutions. So correct answer is option number 3, that is infinitely many solutions. What is the reason? Why it is? Okay, reason of this is that y equal to 2x, why that equation have infinitely many solutions. First of all, students, that y equal to 3x plus 5, if I put a value of x, any value, then corresponding we get another value of y. Okay, in place of x we can put infinitely many number. So for that infinitely many number, we should also get infinitely many value of y. So that's why that equation have infinitely many solution. As we put infinitely many number in place of x, corresponding for putting that value of x, we get infinitely many value of y, and vice versa also. Vice versa also means if I put any number in place of y, we get corresponding number of x. That's why it has infinitely many solutions. Okay. Now moving to the question number 2. Write the 4 solutions of each equation. 3 equations are given, and the question is we have to find the 4 solutions. First of all, 2x plus y equal to 7. It's a linear equation and two variables. How many solution it has? That equation, question number 1, 2, 1, infinite solution. Among them, only 4 equations. You are asked to find out 4 solutions. It has infinitely many solutions, but we have to calculate that only 4 solutions. Now 2x plus y equal to 7. How we calculate the solution of this equation? Okay, first we express it as y equal to 2x y equal to 7 minus 2x. Okay, I am rubbing that first question as we have solved it. Okay, now y 7 minus 2x. Okay, so y minus 7 minus 2x, that is x and y. If I put x equal to 0, what will be the value of y? That is 7 minus 2 into 0, 7 minus 0, that is 7. Okay, x equal, for putting x equal to 0 we get 0,7. Now if I put x equal to 1, x equal to 1, that equal to 5. X equal to 2, put that value x equal to 2, 2 to the 4, 7 minus 4, 3. And x equal to 4, that is minus 1. 7 minus 2 into 4, that is 7 minus 8, 7 minus 8 means minus 1. So these are the four solutions of the first equation. These are the first solutions. The four solutions are, for the first question, 0,7, 1,5, 2,3 and 4, minus 1. First value for x and second value for y. Now this one, that pi x plus 9. Pi x plus 9. So as we know that pi x plus 9, sorry, y equal to 9, y equal to 9 minus pi x. Put y equal to 9 minus pi x. Now make a table like this one. x1. If I put x equal to 0, what will be the value of y? That is 0, pi into 0, 0, 9. X equal to 1, that is 9 minus pi. X equal to 2, 9 minus 2 pi. X equal to 3, 9 minus 3 pi. You can put the value of pi and express in one term, that is 22 by 7. 41 by 7. You can also express that value in fractions, okay, by putting the value of pi, 22 by 7. Okay, in this way we get four solutions of this equation. First solution 0,9, second solution 1,9 minus pi, third solution 2,9 minus 2 pi and 3,9 minus 3 pi. Okay, these are the four solutions. Now question number 3. Question number 3, x equal to 4. I see it is very easy equation. Student, I am giving these sums for your homework. Okay. So solve question number 3 at your home. Now move on to question number 3. That is the last question of exercise 4.2. Find the value of k if x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 is a solution of the equation. It is the equation. In the first video, I have discussed that what is solution. Solution means here two variables. Solution means that should be consist of x and y, two values of x and y. Solution means if any two values of x and y respectively put in that equation, if left hand side and right hand side are equal, then those values can be called solution. Okay, so as it is given that value of x equal to 2, y equal to 1 is a solution of this equation. So it means if I put x equal to 2 in place of x and 1 in place of y, value of left hand side should be equal to right hand side as it is given. Okay, so I am putting x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 in the left hand side. Left hand side will be 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1. 4 plus 3 equal to 7, and the left hand side equal to 7. According to the question, 7 equal to k or k equal to 7. So value of k is 7. But question is why I do this line? Because left hand side equal to right hand side, that time I can say only if the values of x and y are the solution of this equation. As it is solution, then it must left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay, so k equal to the value of k equal to 7. Okay students, this is the last sum of this video. Next day, first I discuss how to put the point or plot the point in a graph, and we'll solve exercise 4.3, but till then we'll solve exercise 4.4. okay, today is enough. Till then, stay at home and keep watching all the videos of Padhan Model School. Thank you.